Cargo pump function test. Function test for safety device of the cargo pump must be carried out on every voyage before arrival at discharging port. It is usually conducted during the line pressure test. Carry out the following function test for cargo pump. 1. Cargo pump running test under its minimum revolution with delivery valve closed. This is to check for any abnormalities in the pump running, in sight, and at the turbine side. 2. Emergency stop of cargo pump from CCR, from pump room and from turbine side, etc. 3. Function test for safety device of cargo pump. Particular function test will be as follows. Overheat trip of pump casing, pump bearing, bulkhead stuffing box. High pressure trip of pump delivery. Low lube oil pressure of turbine. Pump overspeed. In general, take this opportunity to carry out the following test as well. Fire damper functional test. Gas sensitivity test of gas detector.